Yeah. And you're not a baby, you're a big boy, so you don't sleep. Go, 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 go.
Hi guys, Monday morning, happy Monday. Happy Monday everybody. I hope your weekend was amazing. Yeah, I'm awake, tired. I spent a long night, watch the game makes me very tired, so I'm late today. Yeah, so the family is already awake. That's just to tell you how late I am, but couldn't do otherwise. So yeah, I wish all of you a nice week here in France. They said that this week gonna be very cold. It's gonna be a very cold week in the entire country. So yeah, wish all of you a nice week, and catch you guys when I come back from work. Have a nice week and enjoy today's vlog. T'es debout?
What?
Papa, we need the pets.
Papa what?
I don't know if I see you at 2.
Tell Papa is going to work.
Cold outside. Hopefully it's not raining. I heard the rain a good time, so hopefully it's not.
You're gonna wait.
Let's see.
Tell her as you wake. As you wake.
What do you want
As
to do?
you're awake.
Oh.
As he's awake. That's what he wants.
Breakfast to take.
Come, Tyler. Come tell Papa bye. Come tell Tyler Papa bye. Come.
Bye. Fais déjà papa. À tout à l'heure, d'accord? Papa vient te chercher à l'école.
Papa going to work.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
I love you too.
Mama,
Yes.
Papa, you have
Yeah.
bus.
Papa is going to take the bus. Yes. You're so funny. Take them off. Hi, babes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. As you guys can see, yes.
See?
You want some tea? Mama is going to make that for you right now. Okay, go. Go on. As you guys can see, I just roll out of bed and babies.
Mama,
Yes, darling. Turn on the light. You did very well. You did already. Good job. Babe is gone to work, and I'm going to make this little man some tea. As he says, he wants his chocolate milk. That's what he wants. So I'm going to. Can you? Yeah. Can you say good morning, Face? Go and get the milk from the fridge for Mama, please. Can you get the milk from the fridge for Mama? Get the milk. Get the milk. Can you get the milk, please? Very good. Bravo. Give it to Mama. Thank you, baby.
Is it food?
Yes, spoon. Mama wants spoon. So Tyler wants his chocolate milk. Good job, baby. So I'm making him that right now before I jump on the treadmill and go work out. Can you put this back in the fridge, please?
Mama,
Yes, Ty. Mm.
Mama, Mama,
Yes.
Mr. Broken.
It's not broken. Good job. Bravo. And he have to stand on his chair and help me make his milk in the mornings. Okay, here's the milk. Here's your spoon. One spoon of chocolate. Put it in the cup and mix. Mix, 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 mix.
Mama?
Yes, we're gonna throw it in here now. Good job, Ty. Bravo. Hold on. Put some chocolate. Good job. Okay, let's throw it out now. Hold it. Oh, bravo. Good job. Now we close it. And you go sit so Mama can carry it for you.
Mama.
Yes. Has been done. Yes, you guys, Tyler is hilarious. So just now Tyler took out one of my decorations from this candle thing that I created, this one to be exact, and he saw me coming and he took it up and he ran back to here and he looked at me and he said, don't do that, you hear me? Because that's exactly what I would say to him. He's so hilarious. What is that? Yes, and what is on the other side? What? Yeah, good job. You guys, workout is done. It is not beautiful outside at all. It is raining. Well, it stopped raining now. It was raining this morning. Let me show you guys outside. So that's the look of outside. It's really cloudy. And they said, the news says that this week will be the cold. Yes, Tyler? No, it is not raining. No, it stopped raining. Yes. Why are you going under my dress? It is said that... What is that? How much?
40.
Very good. And what's on the other side? Yeah. It is said that this week will be the coldest week of winter, and I can already feel it from outside. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen making dinner. I'm well on my way because I have so much to do as usual before I head out, because Tyler is going to daycare today and I have work. So dinner is this veggie that I'm blanching over here, which is carrot and broccoli. Carrot and broccoli. I'm going to add some corn to that, and that's finished. And over here I have some roast chicken, which I'm slow steaming, that I made last night, but I didn't really like the flavor. It was so bland, so I'm using the leftovers and add some seasoning and some Maggi to it and make that all yummy. So that's what's happening right here. And in here I'm making some potato to make mashed potato for Tyler. So dinner is well on its way. I'm just gonna add this corn to it, and you get veggie, mixed veg. That's that all done. What's that? Bravo! It's so good. Oh my gosh. So good. Okay, so potato is done. Veggies ready. And chicken is all done simmering. So I am out of the kitchen. Is off to school. Tela's off to school. Yes, baby. And I'm off to work. In the tram, he starts shouting, "Pee pee, mama, pee pee." What do you guys do when you're in a bus with your toddler and they want to pee and they don't wear Pampers? What do you do? What do you do? Yes. Tram. So the technique I use is that I started having him counting the cars and tell me the color of the cars on the road to distract him from wanting to pee. And it worked until we got off the tram and could find a little corner to pee. Yeah? Well, no, we're not going to bus number 8. We're going to school. Yeah. You ready to go to school to have a good day? Yeah? And Papa is going to pick you up later. Papa is gonna get you from school and you're gonna be a good boy, okay?
Mama,
right?
baby sleeping.
Yeah, the baby's sleeping. The baby's sleeping. Yeah. And you're not a baby, you're a big boy, so you don't sleep. Go, 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 go. Uh-oh, see? Go, go on. That's why you're not to walk on it, okay? Go, go. You don't go on the next one. Go. Don't go on the next one. You're gonna fall again. Go around it. Go on. Go, baby. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Take your time. Ah, see? Good boy. There we go. Go, go, go. Yeah.
Maman, elle est là, bonjour Tyler. Attends, regarde Tyler, on va se pousser un petit peu. Alors,
Hi guys. Just a little hi. We back from. I'm back from work and Tyler is back from daycare. Tyler, you say hi.
Hi.
How was daycare? How was gardery? Yeah, so we're back home. We have like 15 minutes before we have to leave again. I'm gonna feed him. Babe, I've made him some smashed potatoes, so I'm gonna give him some smashed potatoes. He's here watching TV, so yeah, everything is okay. Just on a rush, so I guess this is what it is when you have kids. Always on a rush. So yeah, I'm gonna feed him. Do my best to be on time and to go get Babe because it's raining outside. And
Hey, faves. Oh, my hair is scratching me, you guys. I didn't get to wash my hair this weekend, so as a result of that, that's what's happening right now. The patting have to be going on. Pat my brains out. You guys, I've been back from work and got to put my little nugget down for bed. They actually surprised me and came to pick me up just as I was about to go on the bus. I hear beep beep and I look across the road. It was Babe coming, tooting me. I couldn't believe that they came for me because I wasn't expecting them to come. So that was a pleasant surprise.
I'm coming for the Jamaican expression.
Idiot.
So you should do the same.
So the Jamaican expression for today is screechy.
Screechy.
Screechy means to sneak up on somebody.
Okay.
Like if I'm in the kitchen and you just sneak up onto me unannounced, that's screechy.
Okay.
A Jamaica would have said, so you're screechy up on me so far.
So yeah, screechy up on me so far. Damn,
That's
this
exactly
Jamaican.
what we would say. Well, you're screechy up on me so far. Screechy. That's the Jamaican expression of the day. So no screechy.
No. Madame Scratchy.
So what's the French expression?
The French expression for today is avoir la tête sur les épaules. Simply mean to have your head on your shoulder. That's normal, but it's it simply means that somebody who have sense, somebody who is not a dreamer. Like
In Jamaica, we
from
say to have your
fantasy.
head by your body.
Okay, in French you say to have your head on your shoulder.
Okay, cool.
Avoir la tête sur les épaules.
Okay.
Say it. Avoir la tête sur les épaules.
Avoir la tête sur les épaules.
Right.
Okay, cool. To have your head on your body. Okay, cool. Alright, you guys. So there you guys have the French expression and the Jamaican expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Yes. Anyway, guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Tyler didn't get to tell you guys bye, but he's gone to bed. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new, comment down below, join the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.